Chicken parmo in your air fryer in under 15 minutes. I can't wait to taste this one. Let's jump straight into it. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. One air fryer too many. And like I just said, dead excited to be on the clock on this one. Can we do a chicken parmo in 15 minutes in an air fryer? So today I'm using this budget double stack air fryer from Buitti Vitta. I unboxed this last week. Check that video out here, see what my initial thoughts are. It's the first time I'm using this to actually cook with, so also excited to see if this can actually stack up to the job. Okay, so what have I got? Let's have a look. So don't forget, this is 15-minute start to finish cook time. So we're not panning our own battered out chicken or scallop. Been to Aldi. They sell these breaded chicken steaks, they call them, in the fresh section for £3.50 for 6. So I think that's pretty good value. Right, so let's open these up. Right. Then I've got some grated mozzarella. I've then got some chorizo slices and some hot pepperoni, so we can do a hot shot. I've then got some ham, which I've just julienned or shredded up, and I've got some sliced chestnut mushrooms for ham and mushroom. I've got lasagna bechamel sauce, and of course I've got some parmesan, the parmo bit of this whole dish. So I'm going to move you in a little bit closer. I'm going to show you how to put this together in no time at all, and we're going to have a taste. Right, so we're going to take the drawers out of this, and both of these drawers are both the same on this particular model. So then what we're going to do, we're going to get probably, I think, 2 of these at a time to allow a bit of spreadage. Okay, so 2 of them in, like that. And then what we're going to do, we're actually going to put these in to start with for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I put another 2 in the bottom drawer. Use my other hand to put the drawer back in. And then I'm going to switch it on. Right, let's switch this on. And I am going to cook some chicken. So I'm going to cook some chicken. He says. There we go. And then I'm going to match. So it's going to air fry at 180 degrees, and I'm just going to press play, and off it goes. That is going to count down now from 25 minutes. Obviously we're not on 25 minutes, we're on 15, so we'll need this to end at 10 minutes to see if we can make this timing work. Fingers crossed, everybody. We will be probing it as well to prove that the chicken is cooked, you know, safe to eat. Right, so we are now at 15 minutes, so these have been going 10 minutes. And next, what I'm going to do is get some of this, and we're going to spread it on the chicken. So this is like the sauce from a lasagna, so bechamel sauce. You can make this yourself, but again, this is a quick 15-minute chicken parmo, and this is basically what all the takeaways use, so actually it'll probably taste a little more authentic. Then once we've done that, we're going to go on with some mozzarella. Yeah, some mozzarella. I've got a little face behind me wanting some cheese. Then I've got Parmesan. Right, so then with the fine grater I'm going to go on with some Parmesan. I've just done the other one as well. Right, then I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do two hot shots with some chorizo and some hot pepperoni. Again, my little camera assistant on the other side is wanting some pepperoni, aren't you? Oh, payment. Right, then the other one I'm going to do some mushroom on. I'm going to put some ham on. Then I am just going to finish it, of course, just with a little bit more Parmesan. Get more cheese grommet. And then this is what they then look like before they go in. Let's get these back in. For their last round of cooking. And off it goes. Right, okay, so we're just coming up to the 15. I'm just going to stop it just before, so we're at 1 minute to go. Let's have a little look at these, and they are looking absolutely banging. So let's have a little probe, see where we're at. I just want to make sure that the topping stays on. So we're at 60 degrees. So another minute. We are almost there. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I'll get a close up of these in a minute for you. Right, I'm just going to quickly give this a little probe, see where we're at. Temperature's flying up now. Yes, there we go, over 75, so we're now at 77, still climbing. Fantastic. Right, let's get these served up then. Right, so let's get these served up. So we have one hot shot, two hot shots, and then we have the ham and mushroom ones. Okay then, so there we have the finished articles. Let me know what you think. Obviously they're not as thin and as big as you get in a takeaway, but I think for a quick midweek tea, I don't think that's a bad effort at all. Let me know in the comments what you'd serve these with. Right, now we need to taste them. Right, okay, so I've got the chief taste tester, the boy, and we are armed with our knives and forks. Right, okay, so which one do you want to taste first?
Which one?
Mushroom and ham or the hot shot pepperoni?
I'll try the worst one first, mushroom and ham.
How did I know you'd say that? Right, so if I put it up and we have a little bit each, yeah?
Wait, did you
can choose.
probe it?
Yeah, probed it, yeah. See, he's checking food safety. Force of habit. I've got more eyes watching me from outside. I'd say that was pretty banging. You missed your mouth. How on earth you miss your mouth? I don't know. Right, then cut a bit of the hot shot one off as well, yeah?
Now the one with the most one.
You want the one with the most?
Pepperoni, yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to try the pepperoni one. There's a bit. For me, the pepperoni one is a proper winner.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mhm.
So that pepperoni one your favourite?
Yeah.
Hot shot.
They're both good, but the pepperoni's one better.
See you next time we see our little friends from the northeast, Courtney and Junior. You'll be able to say that we have tried their home cuisine of chicken parmo. Let me know in the comments below. Again, are you going to try this? What toppings do you have on yours? And of course, make sure you hit that subscribe so you don't miss another video. And I'll see you again next week for another air fryer eats video. And I've got some sausages for you next week. So until next time, I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thumbs up.
And it'll be good taste testing the sausages.